assigned system, which is the human digestive system. So this will be short recap since in our elementary and secondary years, i-discuss na ni siya. So this is our drawing, and this guide will help me to go deep in my discussion. So first is human digestive system. So what is the purpose of the digestive system? So first, digestive system breaks down food into smaller components for absorption, starting with the mouth and ending with the anus, the mouth and the anus, involving organs like esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. So what is the purpose of digestive system? So the purpose of digestive system is to break down food into components the body can use. So dili kay mukaon ra ka para mag-dispose of kanang gikaon nimo. So this will help the body, like glucose for energy. So nay makuha sa pagkaon og while nag-breakdown siya. So like glucose for energy, protein for building and repairing cells, and extracting vitamins, minerals, and amino acids for cell function. So these are the parts of the digestive system. So first is the mouth. So the digestive system begins with the mouth, where teeth smash food, the tongue moves it around, and saliva lubricates it and begins the digestion. So sa mouth yun magsugod ang kuan kay mo may mukaon. Then upon swallowing, sa pag-usap sa pagkaon, food travels down to esophagus. So kaning pharynx mo ni nag-act as a pathway sa food and air padung sa esophagus. So kaning esophagus mo ni muscular tube na nag-push sa pagkaon padung sa stomach. So upon swallowing, food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where acid kills bacteria and breaks down food further. So ang katong pagkaon na naman siya sa stomach, kaning liquid food galingon ni siya sa stomach para mudong siya sa small intestine. So the liquid food then enters the small intestine, where the acid is neutralized, and enzymes break down fat, protein, and carbohydrates for absorption by tiny hairs called villi. So after traveling through 20 feet of small intestine, so after the travel food sa small intestine, food passes into the large intestine, which is called the colon. So where the water is absorbed and bacteria both extract and manufacture important vitamins. So kaning colon, or ginatawag na large intestine, this one has a 5 feet long kanang taas yan. So the final stop is the rectum. So where the indigestible food matters. So ang katong mga pagkaon niya nagaling mo maabot na to siya sa rectum. Then and gas are passed through the anus. So the last part is the anus, where the feces, or ginatawag na tae, and flatulence kay ma-dispose. So this system is gitawag din siya, the study of the digestive system is called the gastroenterology. So there are also parts of digestive system nga wala sa kuan kanang ang katong main gyud nga kanang nag-function is the mouth, the esophagus, stomach, the small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. So there are three parts there that I will discuss. First is the liver. Ang kanang liver is mag-produce yung bile niya. Ang kaning gallbladder mo ni ang mo store sa bile nga na-produce sa liver. So this is the continuation of my discussion. So this is the stomach facts. So unsa na ning stomach? The stomach is a muscular sac with hydrochloric acid. So ang stomach kuno, it is called muscular organ, where the food mix and where adto magaling og pagkaon. Ani siya nga part, ani magaling ang mga pagkaon nga nay enzymes. So it has a mucus lining to protect itself from acid. So na siya mucus lining nga gina-help para ma-protectionan siya sa mga acid. So ang adult stomach kuno kay mag-hold siya og 0.5 gallons of food mga pagkaon and liquid inside the stomach. So there are nerves in the stomach that tell your brain when it's empty or full. So kabantay mo gutomon mo, maglabad inyong ulo. So nay nerves ana ang mag-dictate sa brain nga kung gutom ba mo or busog. So vomiting, ang pagsuka is a body's way of rejecting food and liquid that is bad. So kanang pagsuka ko kana bitang maglain ng tiyan nya. Ug dili maayo imuhang tiyan is magsuka gid ka. So that would be all. Thank you. And the next who will discuss will be Shonami Gabriel. She will discuss the small and large intestine facts.
Good day, ma'am. I am Shona Maybe Gabriel. My topic is small intestine and large intestine facts. So this one is the small intestine. So feeding the stomach, ang gitawag nga chyme mosud sa small intestine. So what is chyme? So it is a liquid or semi-liquid mixture nga pagkaon acid ug mga enzymes nga gikan sa tiyan maong adto siya mosud sa small intestine para matunaw pa ug maabsorb ang mga nutrients. So the small intestine is 16 to 20 feet long in an adult. So mao gitawag sa small because it is narrow. Iyang thickness is ani sa thumb. So small intestine pag abdo, which is this one, the gallbladder, mo break down sa mga fats. Then ang pancreas, which is this one, is mupagawas kog insulin to manage the blood sugar level. Sa small intestine na millions of tiny hairs nga gitawag og villi. So this is what it looks like, the villi. So para ma-increase ang surface area para ma-absorb ang nutrients into the bloodstream. So kung ang villi ibutang nimo sa patag nga lugar bitaw like yuta, so cover niya ang tennis court. So ang pagkaon nga modaloy sa atong bituka, then dili na siya straight bitaw, then ingani siya na murag wave like that. So ang tawag niya dana is peristalsis. So celiac disease is a condition of the small intestine. So unsa man ni siya? So isa ni siya sa autoimmune disorder nga mag-cause og pamamaga sa atong bituka. So ang cause dani is sa atong genetics, gluten ug imbalance gut microbiome. So ang mga sintomas ani is sakit sa tiyan, diarrhea, weight loss o kanang dali ra ta kakuyon o problema sa pagtunaw sa atong pagkaon. The last one is large intestine. So mao ni siya, large intestine. So ang large intestine is about 5 feet in length. So mao gitawag siya large intestine kay mas wider pa man siya sa small intestine. So the small intestine is 16 to 20 feet long in an adult. So mao gitawag sa small because it is narrow. Iyang thickness is ani sa thumb. So small intestine pag abdo, which is this one, the gallbladder, mo break down sa mga fats. Then ang pancreas, which is this one, is mupagawas kog insulin to manage the blood sugar level. Fiber is important for a healthy gut. Diseases and disorders of the colon include IBS and colon cancer.